want to briefly mention a couple of these that we've done recently in countries. The first thing I want to point out is that 5 of the top 6 countries in the index were from Brazil, including Rio.
We as an airline, Lufthansa, we look at where are the markets, what is happening out there.
How can we inspire you to be succeed, to win your business in Brazil and more specifically in Rio?
I'd just like to announce that today we are launching doing business in Rio. We developed with Rio Negocios a comprehensive guide to help investors and to help people to have a better understanding on how to do business in Rio.
As other cities and countries did in the past, they took the game's opportunity to implement what they need.
It's going much faster than the other states.
There's an amazing opportunity for Rio as an investment location. There's a confluence of events, huge growth in the domestic market in Brazil, millions of people moving into the middle class, but at the same time, Rio's the center of an oil and gas boom, and it's also the host of the World Cup and the Olympics, and all of these things will attract huge investments in infrastructure and make Rio a better place to do business by 2016. Yes, we recognize that there are challenges in Brazil and in Rio related to infrastructure, to education, to the tax burden, to the regulatory environment, but all of these things can be surmounted, and businesses really need to look at being in Rio. It's a huge growth market.
Out of a Lufthansa perspective, Rio is definitely worthwhile investing. We see going forward that demand to and from Rio will further increase. It's fostered by the leisure market, of course, Rio being a strong tourism destination, and it's very attractive, and the political stability is there. On the other hand, and that's very important for us as a corporate carrier, there is a strong demand in the corporate sector. So we see continuous growing foreign investment in terms of pharmaceutical, oil and energy, shipping, and some others. And that's why as Lufthansa we're very positive. And we see the Games 2016 as the Football World Cup 2013 contributing to that, and the infrastructure investments that are undertaken are very important and will foster that as well. But overall, there is already a base, a very good base, a solid base that is growing continuously. And so we're very positive about the future of Rio.
Well, opportunity will be very, very large in Brazil. The framework will be a little bit more flexible. The government will be helping people to invest there via investment bank, and also BNDES will help a lot with credits in order to permit people to invest in our games.
I see 2 different opportunities. The first one is the huge internal market that Brazil is creating with the move of a lot of people to a middle class. So we have a big number of new consumers. And specifically in Rio, what we're seeing in Rio is that Rio is becoming the capital of mega events. We are going to be talking about the Olympic Games 2016, the World Cup now, and then we have, in addition to that, all the pre-salt, the oil discoveries that will transform Rio in a new city. And also you can see that the government is doing their part on building new infrastructure, the mobility, airports. So I see Rio as a natural, let's say, possibility for new investments in Brazil.